On March 20th, Illinois became the third state to mandate a stay-at-home order. I had ordered a rocket stove kit, and this is a quick video about welding it up during the lockdown. Here are the stove parts that we got in the kit from 42 Fab. The first thing you have to do is to cut the tabs that hold the various parts together. I used a cutting wheel on my angle grinder to separate each part. Once separated, I used a regular grinding disc to grind off any remaining material. Then I used a flap disc to prepare the metal for welding. With all the parts ready, we can do some spot welding. And more spot welding. And maybe too much spot welding. With all the parts finally in place, it was time to start welding all the joints. I had ordered the stove in 10 gauge steel, but I probably could have gone with 12 gauge. But the thicker steel made it easier to fit up and weld outside corner joints. I finished with grinding and blending the outside corners. After looking at the stove, I decided that it needed some feet, so I welded some angle iron I had to the bottom. After a couple of coats of black heat-resistant paint, it looks pretty good. And it works even better. And even the dog seems to like it.